Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup Airtable records with Python exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Python installed on your computer. Check the version of Python by running the command Python version in your terminal. If Python is not installed, download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Install the Airtable Python library by running the command pip install Airtable Python wrapper. Create a new Python file in your preferred code editor. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your file. You will need to import Airtable from the Airtable Python wrapper. To connect to your Airtable base, you'll need your API key and base ID. Find your API key by logging into your Airtable account and navigating to the API section. Copy your base ID from the URL of your Airtable base. In your Python file, create a new instance of the Airtable class using your API key and base ID. Prepare to define the table name you want to backup. Assign the table name to a variable in your code. Create a function called backup_Airtable_records. Within this function, retrieve the records from your Airtable base using the get_all method. Store the retrieved records in a variable for processing. Use Python's built-in JSON library to convert the records into JSON format. Import the JSON library at the top of your file if you haven't already. Open a new file in write mode to save your exported records. Use the with open statement to create a new JSON file and write the records into it. Name your JSON file in a way that indicates it contains a backup, like backup_records.json. Run the backup_Airtable_records function in your main script. Check the directory where your Python file is located for the newly created JSON file. Open the JSON file to confirm that your Airtable records have been backed up successfully. You can now use this script to regularly back up your Airtable records. If needed, schedule this script to run at regular intervals using a task scheduler. This will automate the backup process, ensuring your data is always secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.